Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your computer teacher Soha Shafiq and we discuss the chapter number 6 and the topic is Boolean algebra. The first one is duality principles. Duality in mathematical principle where one true statement can be obtained for another by merely interchanging two words. It is a property belonging to the branch of algebra known as Latrecki theory, which is involved with concept of order and structure commonly in different mathematical statements. The principle of duality statement are as follows. The first one is all zero in the result are changed to 1 and vice versa. Then in the original result is changed to positive and vice versa. Here is the example of duality principles. X and xy bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. Here we use the fifth theorem of Boolean expression. The result is x y bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. It is clear from the example that every Boolean function can be represented as a combination of Boolean expression. Simplify a Boolean function. There are two methods of simplify a Boolean function by using law of Boolean algebra by using K-map algorithm. What is K-map algorithm? K-map are used to facilitate the simplification of Boolean algebra function. For example, consider the Boolean function described by the following truth table are the map of given table. In this given example, we will solve with this Boolean function of f by law of distribution, complication definition and definition of identify elements. It is clearly that non-specified function need three logical gates where the implementation of the function need only one logical gate. Some disadvantages of Boolean algebra expressions are it is very difficult to write on computer program that can be use their law of simplify of a Boolean function. The process may not given the best specified function and different people can have different specific expression. For this purpose, a Boolean function is needed, but it is most engineering application. We do not have the actual Boolean function, but have it truth table of the required function. Student, now this is the end of your lecture. If you have any complaint, then you can ask me a question. Thank you. Best of luck.